Ladies and gentlemen, I want to present to you the Leupold lens pen lens cleaning system so you can take proper care of your lenses. Cleaning them, scratch free. There's a soft brush on it. There is no liquid, no spill. And it's very similar to the Nikon lens cleaning pen as well. I'm going to show you on this is a VX-II. Take the antenna box off. How dirty this lens is. Check that out. All right. So we're gonna open it up and see how well this does on the lens. Oh, yeah, the back end is pretty dirty too. Look at this. Can't really see it that much, but yeah, the back end of the lens is dirty. I got this on a Velcro mount. This is an older hunting scope, so there we go. We'll get to it.
Oh, look at him.
All right, here we go, guys. Going to unbox it right now. The instructions say extend brush and wipe away dust and grit. And there we go. So most likely the lens cleaner is on this end and then the brush is on the other end. Lens cleaner right here. This is nice. It's got a screw cap and then a brush. So you push this lever out, the brush appears to wipe away cleaning. So as an example, I've got my Leupold scope right here. So let's go ahead, and it's clear already. Remove the scope. Okay. And if you got an ARD on it, remove that. You can see how dirty the lens is. See that? Pretty dirty. Spots here. Not many spots over here, so we're going to just pretty much just gently wipe it. Kind of hard to see. Wipe it clean. Right. First pass, dust and debris out the way. Second pass. Take a look at the progress now. It's not perfect, but it's a lot better than before, so I'll keep working on it. I'm gonna do the other end too. Let's go ahead and just get the dust out. I don't know. I have a Nikon lens cleaning one. I may want to try that one out. Get the dust out of there. And if you've got a ARD on there, you can put that back in there. So maybe we can see if, is it clear? And that is our review of the Leupold lens pen. Okay, we're back, and here are the results of after cleaning. This is also with the ARD Tenebrax mounted on the front. And it looks pretty clear. Looks like the Leupold lens cleaning pen is a success. I definitely recommend it if you guys are looking to clean your lenses. Nice.